How to verify Binance account instantly. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to verify your Binance account instantly. Account verification is essential for enabling full access to Binance features, including withdrawals and advanced trading. So let's get started. Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and verifying your account is crucial to ensure that you can trade securely and access all its features. The verification process is straightforward, but let's go through it step by step. Before you start the verification process, make sure you have the following: a valid government issued ID, a selfie to verify your identity, access to your email and phone number for two-factor authentication. Now that we have everything ready, let's go through the steps for verifying your Binance account. Open the Binance app, and if you don't have an account yet, simply you can sign up by visiting binance.com and following the on-screen instructions. Now, after simply you're logged in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and select identification or verify now from the drop down menu. This will take you to the verification section. Now, Binance will ask you to choose the verification type. For instant verification, make sure to select advanced verification. This is the option that will give you full access to all Binance features. Now, you'll need to upload a government issued ID. Make sure the photo is clear and readable for fast approval. The next step is to upload a selfie. Binance will ask you to take a live selfie to match the ID you uploaded. Now, to enhance the security, Binance will require you to set up two-factor authentication. You can use Google Authenticator or SMS to receive verification code. Once everything is filled out and you're happy with the details, just hit the submit to send your verification request. Binance will now review your documents. Depending on the volume of documents, Binance typically processes identity verification quickly. And that's it. After submitting your documents, Binance will review them and you should receive a confirmation email or notification within a minute. And you've successfully verified your Binance account instantly.